So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you have already seen the update and also have started completing the February games. You can see there is slight modification. What they have done, actually they have changed the name. From level 1 to level 3 they have named it to Arcade Adventure, Trail, Voyage, etc. Okay. Similarly for week trivia they named it a Sprint, week 1, week 2, week 3. Now here, most important thing, we'll find the solution for completing all these labs. Okay. So for solutions, I have attached the master sheet in the description box. Also, you can navigate to the channel playlist. And here you can see complete solution for all the games are already live on the channel. You can start completing. I'll recommend start from the week games. Okay, start from the week games and then move to these games because these have more number of labs. And if you start from week games, it mostly has 4 labs only. So you can easily reach more points in a day. Okay, there will be some lab limits like you can do only 15 labs a day. That's why I'm recommending start from week 4. And if you have completed the work meet play in January month, then only complete this journey made easy game. Otherwise, you won't be able to get the point. For other games, whatever points they are listing, you'll be getting 100% for sure. Now, solution, let me just show you. Here in the master sheet, how I'll find the solution. So you have to click on the monthly games. So here you can see on the left, all the games are listed over here. And on the right, all the solutions are listed over here. And here is the access code. Now, if you don't know, if you are unable to understand about the program, want to know a playlist guideline. So here is the complete playlist in English. You can see cohort 1. When you click on it, you'll be redirected over here. And all your doubts regarding credits, regarding participation, all things are covered over here when you'll be receiving Arcade Insider, whether you can participate with Seam laptop or not. All things are covered over here. So make sure to watch it. Coming over here to second query, like if you want to know about the same thing in Hindi, then also we have covered all the videos in Hindi too. So make sure to check it out the channel. And if you still have any doubts, to let me in the comment section. For some of the labs, the solutions are not live. Do not worry, it will be live very soon. Stay tuned and start from the trivia. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.